Hi everyone, I'm Guilherme Rito, and today I'm going to show you the latest updates for CSS Pro. There's a new feature called responsive mode. It's right here on the menu, and you can click to activate it. So with responsive mode, you can check how your website is looking on different screen resolutions. So you can resize and understand the responsiveness of your website. Or you can also click on quick breakpoints right here, or you can use presets like iPhone SE. And you can also change the resolution by typing. So for example, 600 and 320. And the good thing is that you can continue inspecting and editing the CSS normally as you do. So for example, you can edit on the visual editor, code editor, HTML attributes, etc. So as you can see, I'm editing on the visual editor. Also works with background gradients and stuff. And you can close it anytime by clicking on the X right here on the upper right corner. And the extension will back to normal, and you can toggle it back by clicking on responsive mode anytime. I want to thank Julian, Sanjeev, Ruben, Ryan, Itai, and Cleverson for the feedback. For those who use Safari, you can now open the extension more easily by right-clicking and choosing Inspect with CSS Pro in the context menu. The extension is now open, and that's faster. And if you use Chrome or Firefox, you can also do the same by right-clicking and clicking on Inspect with CSS Pro. CSS Pro now also works very well with same origin iframes. So for example, this website right here has this iframe. On previous version, this CSS code you're seeing would be cut off because it is going outside of the iframe. So now it overflows the iframe and looks like there's no barrier. So you can seamlessly edit and inspect elements. So for example, you can also edit this element. It's inside an iframe, but you still can edit and inspect it. We've also made the extension faster, so it can inspect elements up to twice as fast, and overall it runs 30% quicker. I want to thank Stuart and Mateus for the feedback. You might have noticed when using CSS Pro, right after you open the extension and hover over an element, it would show loading styles, try again, and you would have to move your mouse cursor to another element and back to the same element to be able to inspect it. We finally fixed that, so now as soon as the styles are finished loading, the CSS code is shown up immediately. So for example, let's open the extension quickly and then inspect an element. So it showed very fast loading styles, but immediately after it finished it updated with the CSS code. So this will probably improve your experience. And we've also improved the CSS inspection algorithm so that the code that you get is more precise and reliable. And we've also fixed 30 bugs, so the extension is now more stable. I want to thank Peter and Clement for the feedback. So that's it. If you have any feedback, please reply to this email or comment on the video. Thank you very much, and see you on the next updates.